Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Textjoin in Excel shortcut. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have an address in different column. So this address I'm going to join in one cell. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and just enter the Textjoin. Simply select the Textjoin functions and remove this bracket. Okay, use the backspace and remove the bracket and use the shortcut key Control A. And here you can see the function arguments text join dialog box is open. The first option is a delimiter. So here I want a space after the every words of sentence. So here you can give the space. So I give here the space. Okay. After that, use the tab and select the ignore empty. Ignore empty. You can read here the ignore empty. If true default, ignore empty cell. It means the selected range of the data, if any cell is empty, it will be ignored when all the text join. Okay. Therefore, it just set the true default. Okay. Just press the tab and select the text those you want to join. Simply select this arrow and select the range of the text those you want to join. So I select here the drag with the mouse and here the range is selected. You can see here the range is selected. Just click on arrow again and just click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the all text join with space. Okay. In delimiter, we mention the space. After that, I just remove the one cell here. So I remove here the pin code. So I just remove the pin code and you can see here the pin code is removed and other text is properly joined together. Okay. It means to ignore the empty cell. The selected range, the empty cell will ignore. Okay. So hope you understood. Just simply select the cell and drag with the mouse below the formula and that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.